In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share channels externally in Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a join link for a channel and send it to people outside your organization, all while keeping things clear and secure. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the Communities area. You can do this from the desktop app or the web version, whichever you use most. Communities is where group-style channels live, and it's the place we'll work from for this process. If you don't see communities, make sure you're signed into the correct account and that your organization or tenant allows this feature. Also, be aware that some admins restrict external sharing, so if the option isn't available, you may need to check your permissions. Next, select the channel you want to share. Take a moment to confirm it's the right space for external participants. Review the channel name and any recent posts to make sure there isn't sensitive information. If you manage multiple communities or teams, double check you're in the correct one before proceeding. Typically, you'll need to be an owner or have sufficient permissions to share the channel link externally. Once you're inside the channel, look for the option labeled Share Join Link. This is usually near the channel header or within a More Options menu. The wording can vary slightly depending on the interface updates, but it will clearly refer to sharing or copying an invite or join link. Clicking this will open the built-in sharing prompt. A dialog box will appear with the link ready to copy. Go ahead and copy the link to your clipboard. You can now paste and send this link through your preferred messaging platforms, email, chat, or any communication tool your guests use. When you share the link, consider including a brief message that explains what the channel is for, who it's intended for, and any guidelines on how to participate. This helps set expectations and reduces confusion for your external guests. A few quick tips before you wrap up. External users may need to sign in or create a compatible account to join, depending on your organization's settings. If someone can't access the channel, verify that external access is allowed and that the link hasn't expired or been revoked. If you ever need to stop sharing, you can remove guests from the channel or regenerate a new link, which prevents old links from being used. That's it. Simple, secure, and efficient. You've just learned how to share a channel externally in Microsoft Teams by grabbing a join link and distributing it to the right people.